Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this frontal wig. Today's hair sponsor is Ali Grace Hair. I have worked with them a few times on my channel. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 full frontal wig. This is in the density 180% and the texture is kinky curly.
Take it slow to lead. Hurts. Seductive when you look at me. But I try. Hypnotic. Making you wait is so erotic. Perks. And I want you to want me. Yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building. Driving us crazy. I'm
gonna go ahead and spray some lace tint because I know this is gonna be too light. Guys, this is a full 13x4. Do you see how big body she is? It's the same all around. So I did pluck this hairline off camera. So I did my lazy girl plucking. Like that's what it would have looked like, the entire wig, like full like that. But now that's what she's giving.
Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch.
I finished cutting the lace. Now I'm just going to secure it. I think I'm gonna go in with my blue melt spray.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear that you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice.
The lace is not long enough around the ear here, so I had to like cut into it.
He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar, swept up in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you.
Okay, let's see. Frontals look gorgeous once you do get them all styled up and melted and all that good stuff, but definitely takes a lot more time than like a closure wig.
You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine, like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times.
So the reason I like to pluck this area sometimes is it just makes it look more natural. Like the hairline is so full on this wig. No one's sideburns are like that thick. That looks more realistic compared to like that. So I'm going to spray some water on this little brush. Just clean up that area just a little bit. Actually, some Eco Style gel will help. We'll do that just fine as well. Go in with a big fluffy brush and kind of get some powder because I'm noticing it's looking a little white. I can see that little white cast. I'm gonna go in with a brown. Just dab it in.
Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on usually stand.
We're doing a bust down middle part. Okay, let's get to spraying. To really pop those curls, I'm gonna go in with some Eco Style just all throughout the hair, definitely on the ends. It really does coil up the ends and it looks so pretty. I'm also stretching it to help those curls, you know, retain a bit of length, because you guys know when you have curly hair it shrinks. When it's dry it shrinks a lot. Then I'm going to go in and just tidy up the part. Okay, and make sure the ends are nicely combed through. And then I'm gonna just let it air dry. Like, I'm actually not gonna dry it with the blow dryer at all. I'm just gonna let it air dry and then we're gonna come back and do the reveal. I know this hairline is looking melted and looking fierce, but I did bleach the knots on this wig beforehand and I did pre-pluck. This is how much hair I plucked out of the hairline for this wig to look this good. It does come somewhat pre-plucked, but if you want to take it to the next level like I did today, you're gonna have to pluck it because it's going to make all the difference. One thing that I really love about this wig so far is the color. I didn't really notice that it was jet black, but it's giving me like jet black and the color is just popping. This is why I love jet black hair. It's chef's kiss, baby. And this wig is so cute. Do you see these little fringe part here? It's a little bit shorter, face frame and curls, so it gives a really nice shape. It is actually sitting where a 24-inch would sit, and then you stretch it out, it's giving me even longer. So it is definitely styled length 24, even though it doesn't look like that. For a kinky wig, that's impressive because most kinky wigs, they're very, very short. 24-inch on a kinky wig sometimes looks like this. So there's that. That's good. The density 180% is very full. I haven't even like fully picked through her. I don't want to. I kind of just want the curls to be really defined like they are. Look how beautiful these curls are. With some water, a brush, and some Eco Style, and you let it air dry. I always prefer to let my wigs dry naturally, but sometimes I'm doing so much in the background that I just don't have the time. But when you do, this is what the curls will look like. Do we see how beautiful it is? It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It's perfect. There's not much I would change about it. I think the only thing I would want is a thinner lace because the lace is giving kind of thick. Those are all my final thoughts for today. I hope you enjoyed this review and found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because we do lots of giveaways. So turn your notification bell on so you don't miss out on that. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.